So a potentially underutilized piece of equipment in indoor gardens is a min-max. What this does is tell us our minimum and maximum temperatures and humidities while we were not there. Or in other words, since the last time we cleared the record of those highs and lows. So every day when you go in your garden, you can check, what was my maximum temperature? What was my minimum temperature? Max humidity, minimum humidity. Why is this important? Your temperature might rise while you're not there. It could indicate a potential problem. There could be a problem with your cooling system. Maybe it's not adequate. What about lights off temperature? In cooler climates, like where I live, I get people every October coming into my shop saying, why aren't my plants growing? They're not eating, they're not drinking, they're turning purple on the stalks. I say, well, what's your lights off temperature? And they're, I don't know. They don't have a min-max. They've forgotten about having a heater because it's just been summer. And their garden's going down to 60 degrees Fahrenheit when the lights are off. So the plants are shutting down, they're not eating, they're not drinking, they're losing money, they're losing yield, they're losing time. So a min-max can really save you from that blunder. This is a $20 or $25 item. You should have at least 4 of them in your garden, checking to make sure you have a consistent environment. Sometimes you can have one pocket of the room where you're not getting the same temperatures and humidities that you are throughout the rest of the room, and all you have to do is change the directional flow of your intake, and boom, you've got consistency. If you don't have these eyes watching for you, then you don't know what's going on. So remember, plants love consistency. They want the same daytime temperature, the same lights off temperature, consistent humidity levels. This is where you're going to achieve maximum yield. So remember, keep an eye on what's going on in your room while you're not there. Use your systems to have a disciplined garden where you'll pull out the big yields you're looking for.